How to make audio ID public in Roblox 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make audio ID public in Roblox. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and sign into your Roblox account, and after signing into your Roblox account you will be redirected to this page, and here you can see a create options. You just have to click on here, and from create options you have to click on the left side second options like creations, and then you have to click on the development items, and then you have to click on the audio, and here you can see the add audio, upload audio to use in your creations. You can just click to upload assets and select the asset type as audio, and you can just name it something like audio. Description, you can just add another descriptions here, and then you can just click on upload and upload a file, and after that you can just click on upload. So for that you have to upload a file. So let's just change the file and upload the file from here, and let's just click on upload file, and it's now uploading. Audio uploads must be less than 7 minutes, it says, and the max file size per file should be 20 MB. So it's now uploaded, as you can see, and this is the audio file. So if we want to make it as public, we have to open asset details, and we have to double click the audio file, and then you have to click on the distribute on creator store to make it public. So to enable it, you have to make sure that your Roblox account is ID verified. ID verified means with a passport or any valid government issued ID, and after it's ID verified you can then just turn on the distribute on creator store and click on save changes, and that will just make the file public. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.